write about what you did yesterday. Now, today I really want to challenge you to be using a capital and a period. So remember, every sentence starts with a capital. So here's my writing paper. So starting with that capital T for the, writing my sentence and putting my period down. So if I'm writing, yesterday I played a board game. Yesterday would have a capital Y. I would count my words. Yesterday I played a board game. Write all 6 words, put a period. Next letter gets a capital. I know that you only have a few lines here, okay? So you might be able to kind of go to the back page and write some more on the back where that math page is and maybe just use a little spot for that. So I'm going to write my lines here and then I'm going to come over on the back and maybe add a little more. The next packets will have more writing paper because you're going to start writing more. You can also add an extra piece of paper in there if you need to. So that's our topic. For day 8, again, I'm on level D. I'm going to read you this passage today. A rainbow can be seen in the sky. It is made when water meets the sun. You can see a rainbow after it rains. A rainbow in the sky is big. It is round. You cannot see the end. It is in the shape of an arch. A rainbow is made of colors. The colors are always red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And that you should know because of our song. Remember, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, to the colors of the rainbow. And then on the bottom, you're actually supposed to read this passage 3 times. At least once, but going back. When do you see a rainbow in the sky? Okay, think about that for a second. When do you see a rainbow? You can see a rainbow after it rains. So I would have went back in the passage. You don't have a lot of room here, but if you want to write the question, you could write, I see a rainbow when it rains. And again, it should be written right because it's in sight. What does a rainbow look like? Is it round, straight, or pointed? Well, let's eliminate pointed. Obviously, it's not pointed. And you can eliminate straight because it doesn't go straight across, right? We talked about lines going straight. So the answer would be round. Today, for day 8, Tony had 8 checkers. His friend took 3 away. So you're going to draw 8, hopefully 5 across the top, 3 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can easily cross off the 3 below. Remember, you're going to X them out to show that you are taking them away. You would only put a line through if you're counting them, and then you should have 5 left. Show your work. Ask your friend or family member that you're with, have them do it and see if you did it the same way that they did. And then they actually want you to make a number bond and a number sentence again. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. And then my circles with my number bond. Remember to make sure you're doing that. Okay, I sent a video about this concept today of hidden zero. So I made a card with the number 10 on it, and I made some other cards. In one of the videos, I used a 2. You can really use any number, but I like to do this for team numbers. So I started with 13. So kindergartners, we have 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3. We put the 3 over top. We hide the 0, and now we have the number 13. Okay? You can do this with any of these. I'm going to go out of order so it doesn't. I have 10, 5. There's 15. 10, 7, 17. And 10, 4 for 14. So 10 and hidden 0. Now, there's a couple things we can do with this. We can add. So I have 10, put 4 below. We know that 0 and 4 is 4. That drops. And the 1 drops. That makes 14. Another activity could be we have 17. And we take 10 away. Watch what happens when I take 10 away. You know, it's kind of like a little magic trick. Watch. It's gone. How many are left? 7, right? So we can do addition, 10 and 7, making 17. Or we can do 17, take away 10. We can do 17, take away 7, right? And then we have a 10. So in this problem, we have 1 10 and 0 1s left. So start thinking about that place value, the 10s and 1s. Start thinking about hidden 0.